guys, Candice Bobchak here, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a graphic designer and artist and a photographer who likes sharing my tips and tricks with you on this channel. And I am very excited today because I'm bringing another art video to you. And this time, what I will be doing is making a feather necklace. And this is really important to me because my mom, she has a parrot. His name's Max, and he's basically like an uncle. He's been around me my entire life. And every winter he sheds some feathers, and for years and years my mom has been saving them for me because I've been wanting to do this art project for so long. So first, what I am going to be doing is beading the chain of the necklace with some turquoise and silver beads, and then after that I'm going to start attaching the feathers to it. And I did a sketch and I have this image in my mind, and I am so excited to execute it today. So let's go.
The first thing I did was gather my supplies. I already organized the feathers from Max by size and shape. The beads I am using are called check seed beads, and they are labeled as green, but to me they look turquoise. To complement the turquoise, I used these smaller silver beads. The next thing I did was bead weaving. I used 6 strands of thread with a needle at the end of each. This was the end result, which I was very happy with. I wanted to use turquoise because Max has lived in New Mexico his whole life, and the necklace is meant to be a tribute to him. Next, I selected and laid the feathers out in the pattern that I wanted. I think for the sake of understanding this project, it is important to highlight just how important Max is to us. He is not just a bird, he is a family member. My grandpa bought him before I was even born, and my mom was 15 years old. My mom was instantly attached, and Max's cage would be put in her room, and in the mornings she would whistle to him. Then when both my grandparents died, she inherited him after going through somewhat of a custody battle with another family member. Then years later, my family was going through a rough time, and my mom became homeless, and Max was the only companion she had. And during this time, something amazing happened. Before this, Max didn't trust anyone enough to touch him, and my mom became the first person who was able to hold him. Both of them are doing much better now, and live in an apartment in Santa Fe. Max is such an important member of my family because he has always been there, bringing joy. He's been with all of us through some of the most difficult struggles in life, and it goes without saying that he is deeply cherished by my mom. I had to include the rainbow feathers at the end because they've always been my favorite. And to attach the feathers to the necklace, I threaded through them and tied them together, then reinforced them with glue.
Okay guys, I'm coming at you a whole day later. It took hours and hours to bead this part of the necklace, and today I finally finished that, and you just saw me glue on the beads, glue on the feathers, and this is the finished product. It turned out pretty good, exactly how I wanted it to. It has the beautiful colors from Mr. Max, and it's everything I'd want it to be. Also, a little disclaimer, this is not meant to be Native American jewelry. I'm not Native American. I'm from New Mexico. That's the reason I use turquoise. And of course the feathers represent Max. He's also from New Mexico. So anyway, I hope you liked my creative process for making this necklace, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!